Welcome to Review Rumble. The best LEGO police station is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after sets in the LEGO City universe, offering hours of imaginative play for both kids and adult enthusiasts alike, as it allows you to build a detailed and functional police headquarters complete with patrol cars, helicopters, and a variety of minifigures ready to enforce the law and solve thrilling mysteries within the bustling LEGO metropolis. Number 5. LEGO City Police Mobile Command Center Truck 60139. Get ready for action-packed adventures with this incredible police playset. You can build a mobile command center that opens up to reveal a world of crime-fighting fun. This amazing truck features a detachable cab for quick getaways and a jail cell to keep the crooks behind bars. It's perfect for imaginative play and exciting chase scenes. Inside, you'll find a monitoring room equipped with a satellite dish, allowing you to keep an eye on all the action. You'll have all the tools you need to catch the bad guys. Join the pursuit as you chase down the crook's ATV with the included police motorbike. You can also play out daring jailbreaks and heroic rescues. This set comes with male and female police officers, as well as crook minifigures, and even a police dog. You'll have everything you need to create your own exciting stories. With 374 pieces, this action-packed toy set is perfect for boys and girls aged 6 to 12. It provides hours of creative play and thrilling adventures. What we like. This set offers a dynamic play experience with its versatile mobile command center. If you are looking for a playset that encourages active chase scenarios and imaginative role-playing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love to be in the middle of the action. What people say. The LEGO Police Station set is a fantastic addition to any LEGO city, offering intricate details and numerous play features. This set includes a fully equipped police station with a jail, interrogation room, and a command center, providing hours of imaginative play. The set also comes with several police minifigures, vehicles, and accessories, allowing for realistic crime-fighting scenarios. Number 4. LEGO Police Station 10278 Building Kit. Embark on a mindful building journey with this highly detailed displayable model. It's designed for adults seeking a rewarding and engaging project. Packed with ingenious features and surprising details, this set offers a unique building experience. Explore crime-busting elements that bring the scene to life. Discover stylish features like a case board with connecting clues, a jail cell, and an evidence locker. These elements add a touch of realism to the model. With thousands of pieces and included minifigures, there's so much to uncover. Printed tiles and unique elements enhance the detailed scenes. Perfect for fans of true crime and LEGO alike, this kit provides hours of enjoyment. It's a creative experience designed to appeal to adults. Adult fans will appreciate the novel pieces included in this set. Discover rare colors and unique elements that add to the model's intricate design. What we like. This is a sophisticated build designed for adults seeking a relaxing and engaging project. If you appreciate intricate details, a challenging build, and a display-worthy final model, this set will provide hours of enjoyment. It's ideal for true crime enthusiasts and dedicated LEGO builders. What people say. The police station has a lot of cool features, like a jail cell with an opening door and a helicopter pad. The set includes several minifigures, including police officers and robbers, which adds to the playability. The building instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the assembly process enjoyable. Number 3. LEGO City Police Prison Island Building Set 60419. Get ready for exciting adventures with this LEGO City Police Prison Island Building Set. It's designed for ages 7 and up, offering endless hours of imaginative play. This set includes a detailed prison island with a cliff, a police boat, a dinghy, and a helicopter. You'll also find 7 minifigures, including police officers, prisoners, a dog, and a shark. Discover hidden escape routes. There's a cell with a tunnel leading to an abandoned mine, and a courtyard with a secret hatch that opens to a sewer pipe. Scan the QR code with adult permission to access a fun LEGO City Police video adventure. It's an exciting way to enhance your building experience. Surprise your little hero with this police toy, ideal for birthdays or holidays. It's a fantastic gift for fans of building sets and creative play. Unleash even more fun by combining this set with other LEGO City playsets. Create limitless adventures in a world where imaginations run free. What we like. This set provides an exciting island adventure with a focus on daring escapes and pursuits. If you enjoy imaginative play with a narrative of breakout and recapture, this is the perfect set. It's especially suited for kids who love water-based and aerial action in their play scenarios. What people say. The LEGO Police Station set is a fantastic addition to any LEGO city, offering numerous play features and detailed design elements. This set includes a fully equipped police station with a jail, interrogation room, and a command center, providing hours of imaginative play. The set also comes with several police minifigures, vehicles, and accessories, allowing for realistic crime-fighting scenarios. Number 2. LEGO City Police Training Academy 60372 Playset. Welcome to the LEGO City Police Training Academy. This exciting playset features a multi-level station and dynamic outdoor training facilities. Kids can challenge their minifigures with a thrilling obstacle course, complete with a climbing wall, monkey bars, and a zip line. Turn a knob to activate the moving course. This set includes a horse figure and rider, plus a quad bike with working steering for driving tests. It's perfect for training new recruits, both human and animal. With 6 police minifigures and accessories like handcuffs and dumbbells, your little ones have everything they need for imaginative police adventures. This building toy helps children expand their city's security and makes a fantastic birthday gift for aspiring officers aged 6 and up. What we like. This set focuses on the training and skills required to be a police officer. If you are looking for a playset that incorporates physical challenges and skill-based activities, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy active play and learning about different aspects of police work. What people say. The LEGO Police Station set is a fantastic addition to any LEGO city, offering numerous play features and detailed design elements. This set includes a fully equipped police car, a helicopter with a functioning rotor, and a detailed police station building with multiple rooms and accessories. The building instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it a great set for both experienced LEGO builders and beginners. Number 1. LEGO City Police Chase 60317 Bank and Helicopter Set. Get ready for high-stakes action with this exciting building set. It features a multi-story bank, a crook's truck, and police vehicles for endless chase scenarios. Kids can unfold a heist truck to reveal a cherry picker and break through the bank walls. Imagine the thrill of stealing the gold. Launch the net shooter helicopter and hop into the armored truck. Help the brave police officers save the day and catch the crooks. This set includes 5 characters from the LEGO City Adventures TV series, plus a minifigure for the crooks. Bring your favorite characters to life. It comes with lots of cool accessories, like banknotes, a glow-in-the-dark flashlight, and handcuffs. These details add to the immersive play experience. Connect it to other LEGO City sets using the included road plate. Build an even bigger world for your adventures. This police toy set is a fantastic gift for birthdays or any occasion. It's perfect for kids aged 7 and up who love adventure and imaginative play. What we like. This set delivers high-octane action with a thrilling bank robbery and chase sequence. If you love dynamic scenarios with multiple vehicles and exciting plot twists, this set is for you. It's ideal for kids who enjoy recreating exciting chase scenes and heroic rescues. What people say. This police station has a lot of great details, like the jail cells, the interrogation room, and the helicopter pad. The set comes with several minifigures, including police officers, robbers, and a police dog. It's a large set with many pieces, so it offers a good building experience for experienced LEGO fans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.